In this lecture, we are going to say about interfaces. Interface is similar to class, and it should start with the keyword interface. Using interface, we can specify what a class must do, but not how it should do. An interface can have more number of method declarations, not definitions. Once an interface is defined, any number of class can implement an interface. Using interface, Java allows you to override the method, which is a concept of polymorphism. If no access specifier is mentioned, then it can be accessed by all the members of the same package. An interface can be extended as well as nested. This is the syntax for interface declaration. You have to give the access specifier, then the keyword interface, then interface name. So within that interface, we can have any number of method declarations as well as variable declarations. Next, for implementing interface, we can make use of any class to implement it. So the syntax for it is class, class name, and you have to give the keyword implements, then the interface name. So within that class, we have to define that methods present in that interface. So this is an example. Here we are having an interface called shape. So within that, we are having a method called calc, which receives two different double variables. So we are creating a class called rectangle, which implements this shape interface. So in this rectangle class, we have implemented the definition for this calc method, which returns d1 into d2. And again, we are having another class, which is called triangle, which implements the interface shape. So in that triangle class also, we have the method definition for this calc method. So we have created one more class called interface demo. So within that, we are having a main method, and we have created object for both the rectangle and triangle classes. And with the help of that objects, we are calling the method called calc with the corresponding parameters. So it will print the output of those area of both the rectangle and triangle. Next is extending interfaces. An interface can be extended from one another using extends keyword. So we are having an interface called A, which consists of a method1. And we are having another interface B, which extends A. So in that interface B, we are having one more method called method2. So and another class, which is called main, which implements B. So in this case, we have to write the definitions for both the method2 as well as method1 within the class main. So object can be created for the main class, so that using that object, both the method1 and method2 can be called. So this is called extending interfaces. Multiple inheritance. So in Java, multiple inheritance is not supported directly. So we can make use of interface for implementing multiple inheritance. So one parent class can be created as class, and another parent can be created as an interface. In interface, just we are going to declare the methods, and we are going to define the method within the child class. So extends is a keyword to inherit a class, and implements is a keyword to inherit the interface. So this is an example. So we are having a class called a person. So within that person, we are having a name and age attributes. With the help of constructor, we are initializing the values for name and age. Okay. And another method called a display. So with that display method, we are going to display the name and age values. And we are having another interface in the name of student. So in that interface, we are having a method called display one. Now we are creating a child class e-engineering, which extends both the class person as well as the interface student. So we are using extends person implements student. So in that, we are having a variable called role as well as cutoff. We are making use of a constructor for initializing the values. And we are writing the definition for display one in that class, child class itself. So we are creating an object for the engineering class and we are accessing the values. Thank you.